Hi, to fix not charging problem on Google Pixel Watch 3, first thing you can do is clean the contacts. So you can wipe the back of the watch and charger with a soft, dry cloth like in my case, and avoid moisture or rough materials. And do the same with your charger. So here we got those 4 pins. You can carefully wipe them off with the help of this soft cloth as well. Another way how we can fix this problem is to check the location of the charger. So make sure that the watch is properly connected to the charging pack. If the charging indicator is not alight, try reorienting the device until the charging icon appears. So it needs to click in one position like that and be secured, and then you should see this charging animation. And if you press crown and unlock your device, then you'll see this lightning icon on your watch face as well. And you can also swipe down and find out that this icon is now inactive, meaning watch is currently charging, and you cannot enable battery saver mode here. If the problem still exists, try a different cable or adapter. Damaged charging cables or adapters may be the cause of the malfunction. So plug in a different cable or adapter or use an alternative outlet to test. And of course, monitor the temperature of the device. If the watch overheats, charging may stop temporarily. So allow it to cool down before attempting to charge again. And the last advice is to reboot your watch. So for that, press and hold Chrome button until you can see power off menu on the screen. And from here, choose to restart. And now your watch will turn off, and just in a few moments it will turn back on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.